requested from our previous post, 3 posts ago.
No,
it was an Instagram story. It was an Instagram story. I came up with the idea of a nice creamy potato salad that I never did before. And yeah, because many of you requested the recipe, that's it. The board is full. Of course we need potatoes, of course we're making potato salad. We need a bunch, or we will use a bunch of wild garlic, because we have like at least this full hole in the fridge, so we don't have to be geizig.
Greedy?
Greedy is now.
Like saving?
Yeah, we can be generous. We will use potatoes, that's sort of potato, tomatoes, lime juice, more garlic, a whole avocado, 1 apple. We have some dulse flakes. We have tahini and almond butter, 2 teaspoons or so of sunflower seeds, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For protein, we will use chickpeas that we're gonna mash, so it will be like part of the dressing, part of the creamy dressing. And for spices, we will use cumin, black pepper, smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, and some miso paste, and some soy milk for the dressing as well. And first of all, we will start peeling the potatoes, boiling the potatoes. The rest will be chopped up, thrown together, done. See you in a bit. While the potatoes are cooking, we can start mixing together the dressing. So in goes apple cider vinegar, in goes, you have to do it with your fingers, that's necessary. Almond butter and tahini. You can use cashew butter, sunflower seed butter, whatever butter, nut butter you have. So now we have a problem. Okay, now the juice of a lemon.
Lime.
Lemon. A little bit of soy milk.
Still with 1 finger full of nut butter.
Yeah. What else? The algae flakes can go in there, so this makes them a little bit dulse. That makes them a little bit softer. Okay, let's go for it. Pro tip: roll the lemon or lime before you cut it. Pay attention to the finger.
Why do you have to roll it like this?
I think it's easier to squeeze out the juice. I don't know, I guess it breaks apart some cell walls, membrane, no, not cell walls. I'm lacking the word. It makes it easier to squeeze them. Period. Of course, you can add the spices later or now. That does not make a difference. I like to add the miso paste in the beginning, because this way it's going to distribute evenly. By the way, we are roasting up. We are roasting up a bunch of garlic in the oven. Yeah, that's really tasty. The thing with garlic and onion is the phytonutrient called allicin, which is formed by the enzyme allinase. So it makes totally sense to eat at least some form of onion family. So spring onion, red onion, shallot. What's the Schnittlauch?
Chives.
Chives, yeah. Chives. Chives is part of the onion family as well, so it makes totally sense to eat at least one of those family members. Not your family members. Family members of the onion family, raw. Or if you prefer to eat them cooked, in the end of your cooking process, add some raw onion family members. Tough time with the English language today. We can add at least half or 2/3 of the chickpeas, or we can add all of them.
And just keep mashing.
Exactly. No, it's totally up to you how much you want to mash them. I like to keep a few of them sort of intact, so I'm not making a hummus here. Little life hack, by the way, this, I don't know the name of it, but make sure to clean it up right away, because if you wait till the next day, it's a pain in the ass to get all the things out of it. So, potatoes are done cooking. You might want to let them cool down for half an hour or so, but for the sake of the video, we will put them
To the test.
There we have it, nice, creamy, filling potato salad. Of course, with every salad, I'm not getting tired of mentioning it. You can get really crazy with it. You can add different nuts, hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, whatever you fancy, pumpkin seeds, or you can add tofu, tempeh, seitan, bell pepper, broccoli, whatever you have in the fridge, just throw it in there. It will taste good, I'm sure. Be generous with spices and enjoy it, warm or cold. I think tomorrow or the day after you made it, it will even taste better because all the spices have mingled together. So yeah, that's it. Nice potato salad. Perfect for meal prep, perfect for taking with you to the school, to university, to your work, wherever. No excuses. Make the salad and let us know how you like it. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to us. Thanks for hitting the thumb up button, and we will see you in the next video.